Hello friends, if you like to save time and increase productivity, then this video is for you. Let's start with one letter command W. This shows who is online or using the machine. And if you are facing the storage issue, then use command DF. It displays used and free disk space. Now, if you're tired of slow machine's response, then use free command which shows the memory usage. Mastering the command line is must for every Linux user. Now fdisk-l, this lists the partition table. Tasks that take minutes or hours on a desktop environment can be done in matter of seconds from the command line. Now, before moving on to our next CLI commands, let's take a look at keyboard shortcuts. Like Control L is to clear the terminal screen, Control D is to log out of current session. These keyboard shortcuts are very important in bug hunting where every seconds count. Now let's get back to our terminal. cfdisk. This reflects partition table manipulator for Linux. Next is top. It shows running processes and system usage in real time. Now if you forgot the file destination, then use locate command. Just type locate and file name. In this case we are looking for hulk.py. This will show you the complete path. Now this command netstat gives the networking information. cal or cal shows the calendar. env displays the environment variables. There are many things you can do via command line that cannot be done in standard desktop environment. netstat-antp will check for established listening ports and connections. Now this apt-get auto remove install packages that are no longer required. Similarly, this command apt-get auto clean. This will free up disk space by removing archived packages. You can download the entire website with this single command. Remember, downloading a website without a consent is illegal. Therefore, you are requested to take proper authorization before using this command. Clearing history is one of the most important tasks. Type history. You can either remove a particular history with this command or use history -c to clear all. Hope these fundamental commands or keyboard shortcuts will help you out. There is one more that interests you. Last root. Here you can change the username. This displays last login details of a specific user. Thanks for watching.